to keep order.
Well, you know how you move out of the way. Yeah, come here.
Let's help our friends.
All right, what are you guys doing around here, huh? All right, you bum. Move along now. Move
Be
along.
calm,
Come
brother.
over here, you.
The Lord doesn't want you to be angry. The Lord wants you all to be brothers.
How do you like that, huh?
Resorting to violence is no way to seek salvation.
That kid's not bad, huh?
And the big guy's okay, too. Shot him. You ready?
Hey, you.
You mean us?
Uh-huh. We like you.
You think they're a little...
I know somebody who would sure like to meet a couple of guys like you two.
And we know two guys that'd sure like to know that kind of somebody.
Well, I'll see if I can set it up.
What's the going price?
2 C's and 10% of the take plus expenses. You make out good.
We've been paid better.
By who?
Our memories ain't so good.
I like it.
Hey, you said that already. But watch those hands or you'll find yourself walking around with an empty sleeve.
The boss is gonna love you.
By the way, who is the boss, huh?
Don't worry, you'll find out.
Oh, yeah? When are we gonna find out?
Meet me tonight at Smokey Joe's.
You got a date. Partner, life begins tonight at Smokey Joe's.
Yeah, by the way, you know where it's at?
We'll ask somebody. Excuse me, you know where Smokey Joe's is? Out of towner.
And take off that suit. We'll be walking there, not going in an elevator.
Yeah.
Well, at least we had a good workout, huh?